Open the Lignes ticket app, select Read Card and hold your card against your phone's NFC reader. The card has been read successfully. There are no tickets on it because we have just used the previous one. Now tap Top up a ticket on this card. Choose what you want to buy. For example, select Solo One Voyage or one single trip. Check this box I have read, etc. Confirm the payment. The app will guide you through it. The payment is completed directly on your phone. At this moment, the ticket exists only inside the app. The app will now prompt you to load the ticket onto the physical card. Hold your card against the phone again. Perfect! The card has been read. The ticket is now successfully loaded onto the card. Let's double check. Tap Read Card once more. As you can see, there is one ticket on the card, valid for one trip. That's it. Your card is ready to use.